Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to install Windows 7 and activate and install drivers in Windows 7 in your computer. You need to insert bootable USB in your computer. Press on the power button and tap on the bootable key. My bootable key is escape key, so I have to tap continuously in this manner. I will give you the list of bootable key in the description below according to the brand. After this, you will see a boot option, and here you have to select the bootable device. And if you don't know how to create a bootable device, I will give you the link in the description below, or else you can see the I button in the right hand side of your screen right now. And this is my bootable device. I will select and press enter. And here you have to select the language as English. Press next. Press install now. Many software is compatible with 64 version, so I'm gonna select the 64 version. Check I agree and press next. Click on the second option. Today we will do a clean installation. For that, I will delete all the partitions. This is the 500 GB hard disk. There are two primary drives, one is C and other one is D. Partition 2 drive is where the operating system is installed. You can also format only the C drive without affecting your data. And if you want to know, I will give you the link in the description below for the full video. For now, we will delete all the drives. Click to the delete option. Select OK. As you can see, partition 2 is deleted. That is a C drive. Repeat the same action and delete all the partition. Now your hard disk is fully clean and there is no partition inside. Now you have to create a partition for installation of operating system. I will create 150 GB drive for installation of OS. 1,55,000 MB means 150 GB. And then apply and press OK. Partition 1 is taken by the system, and the partition 2 is a primary partition, that is for C drive and installation of OS. Now again create a D drive, that is partition 3 and partition 4. Repeat the same action again. Create a partition as you wish. In Windows 7 you can create only 3 drives, that is C, D and E. My second primary drive is also created. And for the last drive, you just need to click New and apply. Important notes, you have to select every drive and format. Follow the same steps and repeat it again and format all the drives. This is the drive you have to select to install the OS. Click on Format and press OK and then press Next. Now leave the computer for more than 20 minutes. And after waiting for a long time, and then you will see this kind of message, leave as it is, let the computer restart itself. Your computer will restart 2 times and you will see this dialog box where you have to write your username and press next. Again press next. This is the trial version Windows, press next. Select the option Ask Me Later. Select the time zone. I will select the India time because I am from India. Now you have to wait at least for a minute. This is how you can install Windows 7 in your computer. Your work is not done yet. In most of the computer, your drivers get automatically installed and in some are not. For installation of drivers, activation of Windows and installation of Microsoft Office, please click on this video, or else you can click on the I button or check out the link in the description below. For free softwares, follow me on Telegram.